Hi my lovely people, welcome to Daily Job Desk channel. If you are first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to show about AWS, Azure, Cloud, DevOps job openings for the fresher guys. If you are a fresher having 0 years of experience, or if you are having just at least 6 months of internship experience, 10 months of internship experience, can also apply to the job openings which I'm going to show you. Okay, you may be the freshers who have completed your degree in the year of 2024, 23, 22, 21 or in the year of 2020 can also apply. Okay, not a problem. And one more thing is, you may be from any degree guys. You may be from BE, BTech, ME, MTech or BCom, MBA, HR. You may be from BSc, any guys. You may be from any backgrounds. You can easily apply to the job openings which I am going to show you. And one more thing is, if you are a person who is switching your career from Java, backend, like databases, data analytics, or from the cloud, Linux, you can easily apply, not a problem. Okay, so in this video, I have exclusively bought the job openings for you guys. Please don't skip this video because this video is going to be very important. If you are a fresher, I'm damn 100% sure that you are going to get a reply from this job openings which I'm going to show you now. Okay, so please requesting everyone to watch this video completely till the end and utilize these job opportunities which I'm going to show you. Okay, please don't leave any opportunity guys. I'm telling you, you just subscribe my channel and just apply to the job openings. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get to the students first job opening. Okay, here in the today the first job opening comes from the company called Blackberry. This is one of the famous company guys. This is one of the famous international company. They are mainly hiring for the position of intern cloud backend engineer. Okay, as you can see, this position is for the cloud. Okay, and look at this, when they have posted this job opportunity, this is yesterday. Okay, this is internship. Okay, first of all I want to tell you, this is not job, this is internship. Don't get confused by looking at this. Okay, this person is said that he said that he's going to show the job but he is showing the internship. I'm telling you why I'm showing the internship. There is particular reason. See, this internship itself is going to provide you job. That much famous company it's, and this is one of the best job opportunities. If you are a fresher, I'm telling you, blindly apply. Don't think much about this internship also guys. This is paid internship and this is internship is going to be from 6 to 9 months. I'm telling you, if you apply to this job, if you apply to this internship and if you get selected, think that you get a full-time job opportunity in the cloud. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, please watch this video completely end. Okay, so as I already told you, the company name is Blackberry. The position they are hiring for is cloud backend engineer, and as you can see, the location is Bengaluru. Okay, and moreover, this internship is full time. Look at this, yesterday. Okay, I have clearly bringing you the new job openings for you. So please hit the subscribe button and encourage me. Okay, and look at this, worker subtype student, clearly mentioned. Student means if you're a fresher, blindly apply, not a problem. Fixed term. Okay, fixed term. Position summary, this is a full-time paid internship for 6 to 9 months for the students pursuing a bachelor degree in masters in engineering, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, computer science. Clearly mentioned, this internship is going to be for the 6 to 9 months. Okay, for the students. Okay, and that too if you are from mainly from the bachelor degrees, or you may be from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, or if you are from computer science background, you are highly preferred. Or if you are from any other domains, not a problem, you are also preferred. But if you are from that too mainly computer science background or IT, you are high chances of getting selected this in internship. Look at this long length of the internship, 6 to 9 months of internships. Let's read the skills and qualifications. This is very important section. Bachelor degree or a master's degree in engineering, BE, BTech, ME, MTech in computer science with a CGPA score of 8 and above. See, to apply for this internship, you should have at least CGPA is 8 or above 8 plus. Okay, remember this point. Final year students who will be graduating in 2024 and students who are graduated in 2023 are eligible to apply. As I've already told you, you may be from the 2024 batch or you may be from the 2023 batch, you can apply. If you are from other branches, okay, if you are from other degrees, please watch this video completely till then. Even I have bought the job opening for you guys also. Okay, a very good grasp of programming languages like Java mandatory. Here you should be having at least one programming language, that is Java is very mandatory guys, and scripting knowledge especially Bash and Python is plus. See here you should be having at least knowing at least one scripting knowledge. It may be the Bash or a Python, it's such as, but you should know at least Java as well as a scripting one. It may be Bash or a Python. Okay, knowledge with AWS and other cloud technologies. You should be very good at AWS. Okay, you should have knowledge, at least knowledge. It may be AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle, it's your choice. Good knowledge on any databases. It may be any guys, it's your choice. Passionate about coding in object oriented languages. You should be having a passion about coding, and that too mainly in the object oriented languages. Okay, well versed with microservices and serverless concepts. You should be very good at you should be very good at microservices and at serverless concepts. Innovative thinking with a keen interest of developing new technologies and solutions. See here you should be very good at thinking, and one more thing is you should be ready. You should have very good interest on the developing the new technologies. Okay, so these are the things they have mentioned. Here they have mentioned the responsibilities. I'm not going to read about the responsibilities. Okay, so look at this scheduled weekly hour. Okay, in a week you are going to work for the 8 hours. In a week you are going to work for the 40 hours. Okay, that is 8 hours per day. Okay, so usually you will be working for 5 days and 2 days will be week off. So how you need to apply for this internship is just go to apply section and apply to this internship. Before applying, I'm telling you, definitely you're going to get a reply from this. If your resume is selected, or if your resume is not getting selected, you are going to get at least response guys. I'm telling you. Okay, one more thing is this internship, the salary is at least, I'm telling you, it's going to be from 3.9 LPA to around 5 LPA in between this. Okay, because I have confirmed from my various sources and I'm telling you. So this was the first internship opportunity for the freshers. Now let's get to the second one. Okay, the second one is from the company called Adflocks. As you can see, I have already opened their portal. Okay, look at this position, cloud support engineer. This is also an internship. Don't always look for the job guys. Please, if you're a fresher, please try to do these types of internships. This plays very major role in your careers. Okay, so that's why I'm focusing on internships also. So please apply to the internships, because you are going to learn a very useful information in the internships, as well as you are going to get lot of hands-on experience of the internship itself. Okay, if you done this internships, I'm damn sure 200% this internship will convert you into a full-time job. See, if you apply to this previous one, or if you apply to this company's internships now, definitely they will be hiring you on the basis of POP, and they will be giving you the full-time job opportunity. Okay, remember this point. Now let's get to the second one, job opportunity, cloud support engineer. This is also internship. Okay, the year of experience, look at this, clearly mentioned 0+. You don't need any experience. Here they have given the descriptions. Okay, let's read. Okay, we'll be directly reading about the requirement section, because if I go on reading the responsibilities as well as requirements, the video will be too long. Good to have skills. Okay, you should have the skills like you should be having very good knowledge on AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform. It's your choice, any cloud, not a problem. Okay, next is configuration services such as Apache, Nginx, MySQL, PHP. You should be having knowledge that mainly on it may be the Apache, Nginx, MySQL, PHP. Okay, familiarity with Linux services, servers and virtualization and containerization. You should be very good familiarity with the Linux services. Okay, Linux servers in a virtualization as well as a containerization. Familiarity with fundamentals of Linux scripting languages, Python, Perl, Bash. Okay, and you should be having very familiarity with the Linux scripting languages. It may be the Python, it may be the Perl, it may be the Bash. It's your choice. Anyone is fine. Okay, and you should be having great verbal as well as a written communication skills. So these are the things which they have mentioned for the internships. See, for internships they have asked very less. You should be, if you are just good at one cloud, and if you are just good at some web servers as well as a server as well as Linux, that's it guys. You can easily apply to this, and moreover these all are paid internships. I'm telling you, these all are paid. Just click on this apply now section. Okay, click on this apply section and you can apply to this internship. So this is the second internship opportunity which I showed for you. Now let's get to the third one. Okay, the third one is also from the same company, Adflock. Okay, this is mainly for the Azure guys. I'm telling you, if you're an Azure fresher or if you want to switch your career into the Azure, this is golden opportunity for you guys. Cloud native engineer, as you can say, the location is Kochi, Kerala. Okay, this is a job opportunity. So they have clearly mentioned here the position is for the cloud native engineer. We'll directly get into the skills section. Ability and open to learn new technologies. Here you should be ready to learn new technologies every day. Okay, that is important. Interested in backend developments as well as scripting. You should be interested in backend development as well as scripting. You should be knowing at least scripting basics. Understanding of various cloud technologies. Here you should be good at least one technologies. It may be AWS, Azure, GCP, IBM, Oracle, your choice, not a problem. Knowledge of DevOps tools and practices. You should be good at DevOps tools and practices. K8 and Ranger. You should be knowing what is Kubernetes as well as a Rancher. Okay, cloud they have clearly mentioned is Azure. Okay, here you should be knowing if you know AWS or Azure, that is fine, but they have preferably mentioned as Azure cloud. Automation, Terraform, and Ansible. Scripting, Bash, PowerShell, Python. DevOps, Azure DevOps, GitLab. Here you should be very good at Azure DevOps as well as a GitLab. Okay, monitoring tools they have mentioned is Elasticsearch, Prometheus. So these are the skills. These are very simple, easy skills which they have mentioned for this job opportunity. Go to this apply now section and apply to this job opportunity. This is job. Okay, the previous two words are internships. Okay, clear. Now one more important thing is, if you're a fresher, okay, please subscribe to my channel because it help me to bring you more content daily, guys. So I'm requesting everyone, please subscribe the channel and watch this video. And in this previous video, I have shown an offer letter for the freshers. If you haven't watched, please watch this video. This plays very important role. Okay, this video is very important. So I'm telling you, please watch this video. Okay. Next is, if you want all the job opening links which I have shown you now, please you can just send an invitation to this Vishwa Karkala Instagram handle, and completely guys, completely free. I'll be sending you complete links freely without taking single money. Okay, as you can see, you can just send me the invitation and send me a message like this: AWS and DevOps job fresher. Look at this. I have sent him the links, right? I'll be completely sending all the links completely free without taking any money. Let's get to the fourth job opportunity. Here, the fourth one is from the company called Antino. Okay, the company name itself is an Antino. They are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. The location is Gurugram, Haryana. Okay. And look at this. This is a full-time job opportunity, not a part-time. Remember this. Here they have mentioned the job description is to design and develop automated deployment arrangements by leveraging configuration management technology. See here, you should ready to able to design and develop the automated deployments. Okay, that is very important. And implementing various development, testing, automation tools, and IT infrastructures. Selecting and deploying appropriate CI/CD tools. Mandatory skills: Terraform, Kubernetes, CloudFormation, Linux, Docker, Jenkins. See, for this job opportunity, this is completely for the freshers. They haven't mentioned anything experience. They have clearly mentioned only 4 or 5 skills. If you know Terraform, Kubernetes, CloudFormation, Linux, Docker, Jenkins, you can easily learn this within just 20 days, guys. If you don't know also, if you don't know anything of this skills, learn in just 20 days and apply to this job opportunity. This is completely for the freshers. Look at the qualifications: bachelor degree or equivalent experience in computer science or related field. Okay, if you should be having at least a degree, or if you are switching from any other domains, from networking, Linux administration, or from the data analytics, or from the any guys Java, anything. If you are switching, you should be having at least a degree. Remember the point: degree as well as if you are switching, you should be having previous work experience. That is fine. If you don't have, that is also fine. So you just need to have these skills: Terraform, Kubernetes, CloudFormation, Linux, Docker, Jenkins. Okay. So if you know, just click on this apply now section and apply to the job opening. Now the last one, very important thing. Okay. Here, the company name is Iridato. The company name itself is a Iridato. Okay. Here, first of all, let me zoom it. Okay. Look at this. Posted on January 16, 2024. Okay, the location is Noida. Okay, so the job location comes is Noida, and they have posted this job opportunity on January 16, 2024. These are very fresh job opportunities. The role is junior DevOps engineer. Look at this. The role is junior DevOps engineer. Here they have mentioned your mission, rules, and responsibilities. I'm not going to read. Look at this. What they're expecting from you. We will read this. Okay, this is very important. Understanding of CI/CD pipelines. You should know about what is CI/CD pipelines, how it's going to work, how you need to test, deploy, build, everything you should know, guys. That is very important. First point. If you have some experience with Kubernetes already, that's great. Otherwise, we will train you. This point is very important. This point is very important. Why I'm telling you? I will tell you in later. Okay. If we have some experience with Kubernetes already, see, experience means don't get confused with real time experience. Okay. Here the experience might be like this. If you have some experience with Kubernetes already, that's a great. Otherwise, we will train you. Means here they are telling that if you have some real time experience, or if you have previously worked in any internships that in the mainly Kubernetes, that is fine. If you don't know, they are going to train you, freshers. Okay. And experience with Linux servers. Experience with Linux servers means you should, if you have worked or if you have done some projects, real time projects, hands-on projects in the Linux servers, that is only preferred. Experience with Docker and container platforms. Okay, you should have done some projects on the Docker as well as the container platforms. Understanding of infrastructure as code and configuration management. This is very important today. If you go to any DevOps job, AWS cloud, Azure cloud, they are mainly looking at the infrastructure as code only. Okay. Experience with at least one scripting knowledges. It may be the Python, Bash, Rust, Node.js, Go. You should be having at least one scripting languages. It may be any of your choice. They have mentioned 4 to 5, any choice. Take about you. It's not required. Okay. So these are the things here. Education, bachelor or master's degree in computer science related technical disciplines, have some work experience in cloud computing. Look at this. You should be having a degree. And if you're having experience in cloud computing, like experience means it may be internship, it may be 6 months, 10 months, 1 year of experience, 2 years of experience, not a problem. Apply. Okay, if you're not having any experience also, they are going to give you the training also. On this, some of the tools and technologies, they are going to give the training. So please go to this apply section. Okay. Look at this. You are going to see the apply now section, right? Just click on this and apply to this job opening. So, okay. So these are the job openings which I wanted to show you guys. Okay. And if you're a fresher, see, I have already created a playlist, very beautiful playlist for you guys. I'm telling you, please just click on this. Look at this, AWS Fresher. It contains Azure, GCP, Azure, DevOps, everything it contains. So just click on this playlist and watch this video completely. Okay. So these are the things which I wanted to say in this video. Hope you apply all the job openings and get a reply. Okay. So if you are looking for any other job openings in any other domains, please mention me in the comment section. I will be happy to bring the all other job openings for you guys. Okay. Have a good day. Bye. All the best.